How to add a custom animation path to any particular element or object in Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add or create your own animation path using the Canva application. So in order to start, as here you can see that I have opened this demonstration purpose presentation so that I can demonstrate you how you can create a custom animation. So in this presentation, I have added this particular element and I will be applying transitions into this element. So in order to apply a custom transition into any element, the first thing that you will need to do is simply click onto that element, and then from here you can see you will have all these options at the top. Now from here you need to click onto this animate button, and the moment you will click onto this animate button, you can see this page that says currently under the photos it says presentation setting, and under the presentation setting you can see this custom option, and under the custom it says create an animation, drag elements around the canvas to create your own animations. So simply click onto this create your own animation, and here is a tutorial of how you can create a point or a way path for the presentation to follow this particular path in order to apply this transition or animation. So what you will need to do is simply hold on to this element and then choose any path. So for example, let's say this is the path that I created, and you can see that this is the preview of this particular element, and from here you have all these options so that you can configure it, like movement styles, like original. So it will determine that particular velocity or the speed that I have done while making these tracks, or there is also a smooth option as well which will follow a constant speed, and also a steady option which will follow a steady speed. Then there is this option to either appear on click or whenever the slide appears. Then there are add-on effects as well, like rotate, flicker, pulse, and wiggle as well. So you can choose any option if you want. So for example, let's say rotate. So the image will rotate as well as move along the designated path as well. And once you are done, you can click onto this done button, and then if you will click onto the present button, and you can click onto this present, and here you can see that the animation is being successfully carried out as we have configured it to. So that's how easily you can create a custom animation to any element in Canva. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you. Or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comment section. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.